Hey, welcome to another beautiful day here in the Villages. This is Doug with D&D Aerial Photography, and today we are going to see the village of Lakeview, the village of Long Prairie, and Merritt Field. But first we're going to start off here in Eastport, and we're going to go down Shook's Alley and check it out. Just so other people can check it out and see what is going on here in the Villages. So let's turn the camera around and go down Shook's Alley. This is right beside the sales center. We're going to go down through here, and off to the left you have Mia Sorella. That store hasn't opened yet, but it will here shortly. You have the Villages logo store. So if you want anything from the Villages and with the Villages logo on it, they have it. Nice shades. Give you a little bit of shade coming down through here. And it comes out to Central Lake, and you can see down through here. All right, I've already had one cup of coffee today with my wife at the sales center. So let's go down here and check out Lucky Goat. So let's go in Lucky Goat and get another cup of coffee. Lucky Goat Coffee Shop. Hey, let me address this real quick. I don't know, a lot of people down here on the south side have noticed the police presence has picked up, but that is only because you are lifers. You're here full time. You're the ones that need to respect the laws, because when the snowbirds come down here, they believe that this is a play area, and you should let them know that this is not. This is a law-abiding area. So. But they are cracking down. You'll notice them at the intersections. You'll notice them pulling over golf carts. I saw one yesterday pull over a bicycle because she didn't stop at a stop sign. They are down here cracking down because you are the face of the Villages. Just watch out. Alrighty, we're heading north over to the village of Lakeview, and you can see that we're heading north by the top of the screen. Has the inn. So if you're wondering which way we are looking from the drone, you can always see on top of the screen which way you're looking. So if you're interested in a house and you want to know which way it's facing, just check the top of the screen. Alright, we're flying south here from Central Lake, going back over to the village of Lakeview. We're just kind of going back and forth, checking out the houses, and you can see that Lakeview is almost built out. We're going to come up here to Sweeney Drive and turn left, and we're going to fly back north towards Central Lake, check out all the houses down through there. Look at all those villas down through there. That is future residential area. And the ones on the outside, those are the ones that people have bought and are having built. Look how low the lake is down through there. We need some rain. I don't think y'all are doing a rain dance at circles or at the squares. Alright, this is the Lakeview Postal and Rec Center. I know people are going to start moving in down here. And this is where you get your mail. You know, this has the adult pool. It has shuffleboard, bocce ball, has bags. Good location for the Postal and Rec Center for this little village. So a quick fly across. This is Church at the Springs over by Middleton. Now, I do like to have a lot of family people over here in the village, or in Middleton, go to the Church at the Springs. But I do know a lot of villagers go to the Church at the Springs up by Sawgrass. And I do know when church is there, it is a packed parking lot. going to church is a good place to go. You should go more often than Easter and Christmas. You should go at least every Sunday. So hopefully they do get this church built here. And a lot of people in the villages and Middleton go to church here. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps with the almighty algorithm. Alright, we're going to check out the village of Long Prairie and see how construction is going.
Mustang Sally.
That is the Mustang Rec Center. And you see they have put the path in around it, going back all the way to the Long Prairie Path Road. Alright, we're going to fly northish across the Rec Center here and then go to the Long Prairie Postal Rec Center. You see the sod is greening up down very nicely down there by the Postal Center. Check out all these verandas being built down through here. Look at all, they got walls up. One's going to be under roof. Look at all the foundations they have poured. As we head north down through here, this is the Street of Dreams, and I don't believe they're going to build the Street of Dreams until it looks nice down through here, because this Street of Dreams, I do believe it's going to be established for a long time down through here, because there's a lot of houses that need to be built down through here. But this is a good location for the Street of Dreams, for all the houses that need to be built. We're going to go check out the Pullman Rec Center. They really haven't done too much to it, but it's hard to tell because of the commercial building. But it is the Pullman Rec Center. All right, let's check out Long Prairie. The construction is going on down through here. All right, brief pause, and there we go. You see all the villas that they're building down through there. They have some houses being built there on the pond with a nice view. We're going to fly north across these houses down through here, across Beautyberry and up to Honeysuckle, and then we're going to turn south and check out the rest of the houses down through here in Long Prairie. All right, we're coming to come down through here, check out all the houses in the middle. Look at, they have sod down through there. That's hard to believe. But I was flying down through here, I really saw one house that really stood out. I really do want to show you this house. Check out this house. This is one of the small houses with a 2-car garage and a golf cart garage. And it has a pool. And look at the size of that yard. This is a 1 in a million house. I'm not a salesperson and I don't work for the villages. But man, that's a 1 in a million house right there. But it is a small house, which I do believe all villagers ought to have. And then it has a 2-car garage with the golf cart garage for storage. It has a pool too. Can't go wrong with a pool. Great for resale. Continue going south. And we're going to turn left and go back up north. Kind of fly up Audrey Trail. And you can see all the houses that they have started. Look at the ones under roof. There's some with sod down through here, not including the ones in the middle that we just flew across. but they are building very diligently down through here. I have always stated that about the building process here in the villages, it is like they are building a house on an assembly line without the conveyor belt. The contractors move, not the houses, and that's how they're able to build so efficiently down here in the villages. And they do a damn good job. I know because they just built our house. All right, there's the difference between the Beautyberry and Honeysuckle Golf Course and the Pullman Rec Center. From the first shovel of dirt to the final lock on the door, your home story matters. With our photo home build package, you'll get high quality photos Monday through Friday, delivered straight to your inbox the same day, plus a cinematic 4K drone video that captures your home's progress and the neighborhood coming to life. All this for just $350, not due until the build is complete. Watch your dream home rise, one photo at a time.
The falls of Montezuma.
All right, let's check out Merritt Field. I know there's a lot of lots down there for sale. So take a look, and you can see on the top of the screen the direction where you're looking. So if you want to see which way the lot's going, just check the top of the screen, and you'll be able to check by the compass points of which way the lot is. Down below that is the Merritt Field Postal and Rec Center. You can see the lakes and the Timberlands Golf Course back there in the back, or in the top of the screen. You can see this is going to be a pretty large village down through here. Lots of houses, lots of villagers, lots of parties, and there's some lots down there look like they've been graded. I don't know if they've been graded for building on yet, but you can see there's 3 lots that have been graded. All right, we're just going to jump over here to the left. There we are. And you can see Bob Run does go around this village. It's a pretty long street. You see the golf courses down below. The grass is coming up nicely, and the golf courses, they're doing a good job. You see the houses on the top of the screen. We're going to go down there and take a look here just shortly and see those houses that are being built. Those are spec homes that the villages are building right up there. All right, let's check out the rest of Merritt Field. All right, here's the houses here. This is probably the village of farmland. But look at the houses that are being built here. And like I said, these are all spec homes being built by the villages. So if you see a house down there, like I said, contact your sales agent. They'll be willing to help you. And you can see that they are building really good. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And here's another video of mine that YouTube thinks that you'll enjoy.